Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix a temporary block on Messenger. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So in order to fix this temporary block, all you want to do is head to the Messenger app and go to your profile in the top left corner. Once you're at your profile, you then want to scroll down until you see report a problem, and you want to select that. It will then bring this up more than likely. You want to include a complete log and diagnostics. I'm going to go ahead and select don't include, but that's up to you. Once you're at this page, you don't want to explain that you were blocked on Messenger and you're not sure exactly why. You can also add a picture if you would like, because it might help them a little bit more figure out what is going on. You can then need to select what the problem is related to. You can go ahead and select other or whatever you would like. And once you're done filling all this in, you can go ahead and select send, and they should get back to you within a couple days and hopefully be able to fix it as long as you didn't do anything wrong to be blocked on Messenger. So I hope this video does help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.